Hello everyone, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV service pros. And today I'm coming at you with another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. So what I'm inspecting today is a 2016 Class C. So at this point it was built in December of 2016, so it's 6 years old. And just because you can't see water damage doesn't mean it's not there. And so I'm going to show you what I found and how you can't see it, but it's there. So this is the window over the loft area in the Class C. Now, to look at that wall, everything looks fine, correct? So if I come here, I'll even get up close and personal with the wall. You don't see a thing. But when you come up to that wall and you push on it, you can feel how soft it is. I could literally leave fingerprints in the wall. I don't know if you can see them, but it is soft. Now, that's not the only place in this RV I found this issue. Over here at the dinette, once again, soft. And I'm going to show you now one that I can see, and that is right here between the kitchen window and the entrance door. And you can see how the wallpaper is kind of pushed out there, and if I push on that, it's really soft there. There's a good shot. So just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not there. That's number one. You have to check all the walls. This is a good thing to check before you hire an inspector. If you're in the area where the RV you're purchasing is, go and push on the walls. Make sure they're solid. If they're solid, call you out an inspector. Make sure there's nothing going on there. But we want to make sure that you're purchasing an RV that doesn't need a bunch of work, right? So with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, this is Jason with My RV Resource. Make sure you're checking those walls, every one of them, not just below windows, all over the place. A lot of times in the backs of these, where the tail lights are, you'll find water damage. There's cutouts all over the sides of these. And also, water can get in from the roof, come down the wall. So water damage can be anywhere. Make sure you're looking for that. And if you're not, hire an inspector who will. So you guys have a nice day.